Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to focus on how you can fine-tune and improve your data in your pivot table. So we already give those answers. Well, in the previous videos you already figured out the answers. We're going to all of these simple questions here based on our data here. So I already fixed the value of the letter, but of course it doesn't work here 100%. Our filter is not yet working, or it's not adjusting along. So I have to eventually you have to recreate the function or recreate the pivot table, then it will start to understand it. So it saves this in their own memory temporarily, and that's why it's just maintained in there. However, doesn't matter at all. So what we're going to focus on now is on groups and ungrouping. So what does that really mean? We already created our H bracket groups, and imagine maybe you have them now, but you say, well, that's nice, but now I want to remove them. How to do it? Right click, and then you can select your ungroup and outline, and then you select your ungroup. The moment you do it, all the values will return back as how it is. So what we can do now based on this is simple. Well, maybe you want to regroup them, but in a different H bracket. So right click, click again on group and outline, and select group. And in here you can really control all the grouping options that there are. So starting at 19, ending at 70, and grouping it by 10. Let's say we'll group it by 5, a bracket of the bracket H. So okay, confirm. And once we did that, as you can see now, our values are changing with it, and you see the brackets are smaller. And this is very useful because now you can fine-tune and maybe pinpoint what is the real valuable H bracket. Of course, maybe you say, well, that's nice, but I have this weird blank value here, and you don't want to show this because maybe you need to present this to your superior and they will ask you, why is this here? So how do you remove this? Well, very simple. Just click on this, then right click, and you can see here the option hide. Let's hide the value, and instantly this all works. And you can see here, well, it's still in here. Let's unselect that. It doesn't show anymore in here, but it still shows, of course, in their memory. So Excel has this in the memory. That's why it will not be gone. Same with the letter F for this, for the female section here. So alright, we've got all of this, and this is basically it. And if you want to, of course, again, we can always ungroup and regroup, maybe with some new options here. And let's go back to our original setup for 15 with a grouping of 10 and confirm. Alright, and this is really how you do it, and how you can group, ungroup, and hide specific values of your pivot table. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link below. In there we have a wonderful Excel course that goes deep into multiple aspects of Excel.